We cook every day with my boyfriend, and today we decided to make steak. Colin, what is that?
Filet mignon.
Filet mignon. Yes, it's my favorite, so we always love to have it. But the problem is that it is Florida, so as soon as you come outside, it gets super blurry. My lens get very blurry, so I'm gonna go inside and wait for him to put it on the grill because it's very hot outside. You see that it's basically you can't even see what's going on. And as soon as I go inside, my lens clear. And now we're gonna put the timer, right? 4 minutes. But do you have to flip it?
Yeah, after 4 minutes.
Oh, okay. After 4 minutes, we're gonna flip it. And right now we're working on our mushrooms. Wow. And these beautiful vegetables inside. We both love to cook. Every day we try to cook healthy food at home. And yes, it is very nice. Look at these mushrooms.
Shiitake.
Shiitake mushrooms.
We're gonna add in the
We got it from Publix.
basil pesto
Basil pasta cream. We love it.
cream.
Very
Sear them up a
nice.
little bit. Get them a little charred. Add the sauce.
Yes.
Cook
Corn
the
is very
filet
good.
mignon. Then we're gonna cook raviolis.
Even
Boil water.
raviolis we're gonna cook today. I love raviolis. What did you use this thing for? To wash what?
Wash the vegetables.
Ah, wash mushrooms?
No.
No?
Mushrooms are from the dirt, so you gotta get all the
Yeah.
dirt you can out of them. It's healthier. It's healthier to have dirty mushrooms.
We love these pans, cooking pans. It is the only ones we can use because we tried hundreds of different ones and we love these ones, basically. So we always recommend to get them. And I'm gonna put the link below in description of this video, which we use. And the salt, you can see that we already use this sea salt, but we got another one, pink salt and a pepper. I don't know if there is a difference, but we basically get the simple ingredients. And mushrooms is my favorite ingredient, and of course steak and fish and vegetables. We are a super minimalistic family, so we have only basic things which we use every day, like a soy sauce and olive oil. I also gonna put link down below so you can purchase it from Amazon or from any store you like. But that's everything we use every day and enjoy it. Never found anything better than that. Basically, the best ingredients. So Colin is a professional chef, and this is potato is almost ready. I love this for special dish for oven from glass. I love it. I wanted to get the same for the soups, but I heard that it's super dangerous, that you can basically it can fall apart right in front of you when you cook. So I don't really trust soups. Colin, does your mom have it? Like from the same material but for soups?
Yeah.
Yeah, she does?
Yeah, she does. Loves it.
Because
Absolutely loves it.
in Instagram and on YouTube, like everybody use it, but then I read comments and people say, it explodes right in my hands. I cut my leg. I almost died. And I feel like it's all about like professionalism of a person. And it's mostly about basically temperature control. If you're gonna jump from high heat to low heat in a second, no, don't get it. But if you're gonna control temperatures, then it's okay. So now Colin picked up the pasta and
We're gonna make our own version of the sauce.
yes, we're gonna work on our sauce because we always use the same one. So sometimes we add different ingredients to make it more interesting. And what is this?
Sun-dried tomatoes.
This is sun-dried tomatoes. I would never even consider to use it in my recipe, but Colin somehow tried it somewhere and decided to use it. But it's so tasty, so good. I love how it looks. Wow, so fresh. I mean, I love different tastes. So nice. Colin, how long does the whole process takes?
Probably 30 minutes.
Do you put timer for the steak?
Yeah.
So you basically put it on your phone, right? And
Sometimes I do it in my brain.
in your brain? No way. No, it's not for me. You know that I'm a beginner chef, so I can't do that in my brain like you. It's more like you and Shane could do that, but definitely not me. Ah, nice. Looks great. Wow, but the only problem is that you forgot to put vent fan and light. Wow, looks phenomenal. It is very windy today, so wind is going crazy here in Florida. I can't believe how windy it is. It is almost like unreal to be outside. Wow. Oh my God. People just walking around and they can be like crushed by the wind. Wow. Mushrooms looks phenomenal. Just some pasta. What is this sauce called?
Fettuccine.
Fettuccine. And we're gonna put this goat cheese tomato ravioli. Today we got it from Publix. We do use different stores though. We love Sprouts Market, we like Publix, Fresh Market. So basically anything which is fresh and more like, you know, healthy, we always use. And right now we're gonna go outside and check our steak. It looks very delicious. I don't have to go outside because it's very hot and humid in Florida. So we don't want to basically damage my camera. So I'm not gonna go outside, but it looks very delicious. And we're gonna turn it around. It is a very large steak pieces, filet mignon, which I never tried in my life before I met my boyfriend. Because I used to eat ribeye steak, which is the most easiest one to cook. And now, what do you think? What is the difference between filet mignon and ribeye steak?
Filet mignon has got that more purest flavor.
And like,
There's
it's
always
more
a
like,
time for ribeye.
I feel like it's more like tender, not as sort of like, ribeye is more like basic steak and not as sort of like soft
Yeah,
and
like
everything.
ribeye is just way thicker steak.
Yes,
you know?
thicker
It's just
and
like
everything.
filet mignon just melts in your mouth.
Yeah, it's like melting your mouth, yeah, right. But guys, please text us in the commenting what is your best steak, how do you cook it, because we always eager for new recipes. Every day we cook, we need to try new ones in our cooking show, and always need something new. So mushrooms are almost done, vegetables coming up, and I'm gonna show to you final results in a few minutes because we have to put it all together right now. So we're ready to put our ravioli inside. We boiled some water in a huge pan. Colin, what is the instruction?
Pretty basic. Just reduce to a simmer for 5 minutes. Then we're just gonna combine it all together.
Wait, what? Reduce to what?
A simmer.
What does that mean?
It means medium.
Ah, medium?
Yep.
Oh my god, even I didn't know what is that. So basically we have to reduce for medium heat from boiling water, and as soon as it is not as hot, we're gonna put our ravioli inside. We do have two huge packs because we're gonna cook so I can eat also Monday and Tuesday at home, and maybe take to-go cup for Colin because he sometimes go to the office, and so we just dump it together inside. We don't want it to go, yeah, we don't want it to like go together, you know. It have to be like a little bit separated. Do we have to put salt after, right?
Well, after. I put salt and oil already in there.
You put salt and oil.
Already in there, yeah.
Oil is so they don't go together.
Yeah.
Was it in the instruction about oil, or you just made it up?
I just made it up. I just learned that from like my long family history of professional chefs. My mom's been in the
okay, your mom is a great chef.
Business for
really? I didn't know
years.
that. I didn't know that.
She owns a restaurant in France, Italy, Spain.
Okay,
Portugal.
you didn't tell it to me. I knew that your mom is a great chef, but I never knew that she worked in a restaurant industry.
Yes.
Nice. We actually gonna go visit Colin's mom soon in California, so super excited about it. Even though it's very hot, guys, please text us in the commenting if you live in California, how is it right now there. Maybe we'll go also Las Vegas and
Zion National Park.
Zion National Park. Yes, it's gonna be like 40 degrees Celsius, so 41 degrees
Fahrenheit for all the Americans.
super hot. Yeah, we just gonna, I don't know, melt. But it's even better. Now it looks super nice and beautiful. How do you know how long are you supposed to cook it? Oh, you put a timer for 4 minutes?
Timer for 5 minutes.
5 minutes.
Yeah. You just got to, you got to push it down a little bit.
Yes.
You
We
gotta
love
baby
such
it
a
little bit.
we love such a recipes because we can just follow instructions and put it in a very beautiful shape. This is our potato also is ready, and our mushrooms is my favorite part, and inside it is a broccoli which is still going. So, and also we have a steak which is also on a timer, so we're gonna tell you when it's ready.
Okay, filet mignon's done, but we always like to temp things for a little bit, just to let it juice up.
So you just put it inside.
Just anything to cover it. This is the sauce that we have. This is the side
Ravioli
piece.
is ready.
So we're gonna take this.
Looks super beautiful.
The
So you
shiitake
basically,
mushrooms, pesto, sun-dried tomatoes.
wow, so
on
beautiful.
top, right?
Looks very good.
We're kind of like adding to our own sauce here, and there
Yeah.
can never be enough.
I love mushrooms.
Never be enough on here.
What type of shiitake did you choose? No, not shiitake, but this ravioli. What is
This
that?
is also basil ravioli.
Uh-huh. But was this ravioli already with mushrooms, right, also?
No. Just
No?
Basil.
Just basil?
Basil and fettuccine.
Inside of this one?
Yeah.
Fettuccine? Oh, okay.
Yeah. But then the main thing is here, which
Sauce.
I didn't try.
Mm-hmm.
I haven't tried.
Uh-huh. What?
Is I'm going to take a little bit of ricotta, just to really dash it up here,
Mm.
and then we'll have this just melt. We'll have this just melt on top.
Oh, ricotta cheese?
Yeah.
Wow, I never tried it.
So we're just going to take like a little piece, just to make it crazy,
Wow.
and then that'll melt
Okay.
in together.
Wow, that's so good. Love it.
Boom.
Looks phenomenal. And it always tastes so good. My favorite food, basically. Yeah. So everything is ready. Let me show you our steak, how it looks. How beautiful it looks. Very professional. So these are 4 pieces of the same steak.
Filet mignon.
Filet mignon, but it looks super different. Was it in like 2 different packages?
No.
The same package, 4 pieces?
Oh no, 2 different packages.
2 different packages.
Yeah.
Because it can be on different, you see, like thicker or like smaller, but it is always so good. My favorite one. Now we're gonna go eat ravioli, and then later today we're gonna eat steak with potato and broccoli. So stay please with our channel, put likes and subscribe to our channel. And if you're ready to purchase anything from my store, like a coffee or maybe clothes for yourself, please don't hesitate. If you have any questions, we're welcome to answer you. Bye bye.